Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I know today is Thursday, but we're treating it as our Friday this week because we were supposed to have the teacher parade tomorrow afternoon, but unfortunately that is postponed till next week. But I just wanted to keep us on the same schedule that we had been expecting to be on this week. That way we weren't confused about what to do on what day. So as always on our Thursday videos, I just want to go ahead and review our spelling words for this week. So our spelling words for this week, since you have a spelling test this afternoon at 1 o'clock, your spelling words are afford. Sorry guys, my power just went out, so everything's turning back on, so that was one of my things. So we'll do the spelling words again. So my first spelling word for this week is afford. Number 2, morning. Number 3, picture. Number 4, according. Number 5, tomorrow. 6, creature. 7, nature. 8, surround. 9, circular. And 10, porcupine. Okay, so again, guys, remember these are words with strong R's. So in all of these words, there's an R that kind of dictates the sound of the word. Okay? And then also today I wanted us to go ahead and work on some adding and subtracting just to make sure that we're really staying on par with that and really making sure that we keep our skills fresh and good. You guys have been doing so awesome with adding and subtracting mixed numbers, but yesterday when we made the numbers a little bit larger like we used to work with, there was some discrepancies and some little mistakes, so I just want us to make sure we're practicing just adding and subtracting still also, because we don't want to lose that skill, because adding and subtracting is the basis of everything else in math. So you want to make sure you have that skill perfected. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, put my board up, and put some equations that I would like for you guys to work on. So I'm going to need you to pause me so that you can write them all down, and then I'm going to go over them with you as well. Okay? So let's go ahead. These are the equations from yesterday, so we're going to have to erase those. Okay. So again, we're not going to do mixed numbers. We're just going to practice adding and subtracting. Okay? So I just want to give you guys a few problems to practice with here. And then you'll be ready for class this afternoon. Okay? All right. So let's see. Okay, perfect. Looks like that's going to fit right in the screen. Okay, I'm going to do number 1. So remember, these are going to be adding and subtracting. So make sure you're paying attention to how you are doing the operations, okay? So number 1, we'll do 3,249 plus 7,386. Okay. So number 2, we'll do 4,768 minus 2,494. Number 3, we'll do another addition, maybe a longer one. So let's do 10,688 plus 32,493. So I'm going to give you guys 5 equations to do, okay? So number 4 is 92 2,347 plus 28,561. And then one more subtraction for number 5. Let me move it down so I have enough room. Okay, so number 5, we can do 673 minus 485. Okay, so you guys need to pay attention. Make sure you are doing your borrowing and your regrouping. So go ahead and pause me so you can go ahead and work on these, and then I'm going to work them out when you come back. So go ahead and pause me now. All right, so I hope you guys are ready and done with these 5 problems so we can check them really quick. Okay, so today we're going to start with number 1 as always. So we have 3,249 plus 7,386. Okay, so always with adding and subtracting, I'm going to start in my ones place. So my ones place is 9 plus 6, which is 15. So I put put my 5, carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 8 is 13. So I put my 3, carry my 1 again. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. And then 3 plus 7 is 10. So your answer for number 1 should be 10,635. Okay? Awesome. So number 2, again, we're going to start with our ones place. We have 4,768 minus 2,494. So again, starting in the ones place, 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay. The tens place, 6 minus 9. I know I can't do that because my larger number can't be on, my larger number is on the bottom and it needs to be on the top. So I'm going to borrow from my 7. My 7 will become a 6 and my 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So for number 2, you should have 2,274. Okay? So for number 3, looks like we got a little bit larger, number 3 and number 4. So again, even when our numbers get larger, we're still going to start in the ones place. Okay? So 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 9 is 18. Carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So nothing to carry there. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. So your answer for number 3 should be 43,181. Okay. Number 4, we're adding again. Make sure, I hope you guys are paying close attention to your operation signs. Okay. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. So I'm going to carry my 1 over. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. So I have to carry my 1 here. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. So your answer is 120,908. Okay? And then our last one, number 5. So this one, I can tell we're going to have a lot of regrouping. okay? So let's look. Again, we start with our ones place. So we have 3 minus 5. So we know we can't do that because our larger number needs to be on the top. So I'm going to borrow from my 7 and make that a 6, and my 3 becomes 13. So now 13 minus 5 is 8. So now I can move back over to the tens place. But now in the tens place, again, my smaller number is on top. So I'm going to borrow from my hundreds place. So my 6 becomes a 5, and this 6 becomes 16. Okay? So 16 minus 8 is 8. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. So like I said, lots of borrowing on that equation there. So go ahead and pause the video, check your work, write down any changes you need to make. Awesome job, guys. All right. Alrighty, so now that you guys have finished that, you should be good and ready for class this afternoon at 1 o'clock. So again, we are meeting today at 1, and we are going to have our spelling test, do a math review, and then I will have your virtual field trip posted on Google Classroom for you guys to go ahead and explore once we're done with class today, okay? So awesome job this morning, and I will see you all at 1 o'clock on Zoom. Bye.